Hi you guys, so today I'm doing another house tour and you guys get to decide if I live in a farm or if I live in a zoo, okay? And you guys might meet my roommate too. I'm not sure. It depends on how comfortable she is on screen. If she doesn't want to come on, I'm not gonna force her. I keep saying roommate, but as of now I actually have two roommates. So let's go see my house, a little bit of my house. I did a partial house tour as my first video here on YouTube, and I'm adding on to that. So let's go check out my house. So here's our pet number one. She is actually the newest member of our home. She is a piglet. What's her name again?
Moira.
Mora?
Moira.
Moira. Okay, it's a hard one. It's gonna take me a while. But yeah, she's tiny. I'm just up close to her, but yeah. They're gonna build her a pig pen tomorrow.
Watch this.
Aww.
Oh, she decided to go to the bathroom.
And this is Rory. She also likes water too.
Yes. That's Teddy.
Yep, this is Teddy.
Doesn't like
That's
water.
our newest dog.
Yeah. Abandoned shepherd.
Yep. My roommate found her on the street. I think nothing's in there. So I'm not helping, but but my roommate and her friend are cleaning up our backyard to make space for the animal that we are going to be adopting. Yeah. So that's our little piglet running around. Okay. Yeah, so today is cleaning day. We're just cleaning up the space for our animals. We did have some grass, but they all died. And that's my roommate. We knew each other since like 2013, and now I'm living with her.
Moved all the way to Arizona to live with me.
Yep. All the way from SAC, both of us.
I mean, yeah, so
Well, yeah.
I've been in a pizza bar. I've been at this since 8 a.m.
Yeah, you are pink now. You're not red yet, but you are pink.
I'm supposed to turn brown. Damn it.
Yeah, she will be white in a few days again. She doesn't turn tan. I'm Asian, I'm darker than her. She's the lightest like Mexican ever. So I'm gonna go show you guys my other pets. Well, not mine, it's my roommate's. Okay, so she is Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Hi, girl. Hi. Hi. And don't mind our dirty house. It's because we just have a roommate that moved in, so she's still unpacking, okay? And this dog, I don't know the name. I don't know if it's a she or he either. My roommate is just babysitting her for the weekend. This dog is really mellow. Calm and mellow. Hi, Chloe. Ooh. And this dog right here, her name is Smokey. I think it's a he. Yeah. Smokey, but they call him Monkey. It seems like that name sticks more. Okay. So if you guys seen my first video, my hallway and my living room is an art gallery. So the first room right here is full of our pets. So here is where the piglet will sleep in. And we have some ferrets. Hi. I think we have like 9 of them. I think like 1 or 2 died, but it should be still around that number. I don't know. None of the animals here at my house are mine. I am not really an animal person. I don't like animal that much. I don't have any pets, but these are all my roommates' animal, okay? So, do I live in a zoo or do I live in a farm? I will say zoo just because we're not gonna eat these animals. Even our piglet, we're not gonna eat our piglet. Ooh. Yeah. So, yeah, that's about it for my house tour. Okay, so we are now back in my room. So you guys saw a little bit of the animals that we have. We have another dog, but she is not here right now. Her name is Sarabi, like Simba's mom. She's also a German Shepherd. She's not here right now. My roommate, her name is Sonia. I forgot to tell you guys that. And our new roommate, her name is Kasten. So yeah, you guys haven't met her in this video, but maybe in the future videos you guys will meet her. I just wanted to do this vlog very quick to show you guys how my backyard is, how many animals I have, because a lot of you guys know that my roommate has a lot of animals because she's an animal lover. I'm not an animal lover quite yet, but yeah, she has a lot of animals and she takes very good care of them. I don't have to worry about them at all. So they're working on building a pig pen for the pig. They have not yet finished because it's so hot in Arizona. It's like 120 degrees outside. So they are not working on that yet. Maybe tomorrow morning they'll do that. But yeah, maybe in a few days when the house is ready, the pen is ready, I will show you guys more picture of it. But as of now, yeah, this is where I live, and my room is very clean. The bathroom is really clean. The animal don't go there. The animal don't go into my room. They are only they only like hang out in the living room and they stay outside. So yeah, that's about it about my vlog today.